So now that you actually know everything, categories of every website on the dark web. Now these are all the shady website I'll be showing you, which is actually in here. Um, Black Hat Chat. So yeah, this is where I chat with people. It's basically Migrator and Black Hat are similar. And then I cannot pronounce this, but I don't know what that is. And then this is, if you're if you're wondering like, oh, where are all of those like CP or child pornography go? This is it. You can find stuff, disgusting stuff here. But trust me, I do not go to this website. I am just doing this for educational purposes. I promise you, I have never gone to this website because the thing is, they are close to most of countries, and sometimes they're actually close. Look at this, they're close. But I've seen a lot of people talk about this website. This is where you get a girlfriend. Where so yeah, it's basically close, and the website or the links is this is not the thing anymore. But I'm just showing you that such website like this actually exists. Then video chat, and then Able Onion. This is also close. Just chatting. Yeah, this one also is close. But Mod ARC is close. So these are all just chatting links, or just most of these are forum. But these are all just chatting links, and this one also is disgusting. I mean, this one, that's a disgusting link. So yeah, that's shady website. Most, if you could find all of, if you're interested, you could find this website somewhere. I will not be able to show you that because I know what you'll be doing if I show you it, because it's disgusting. And also this, I cannot show you that. But yeah, you can access the Black Hat chat, which is I've shown you earlier, and in the previous column. Then Black Host, this is where you create your chatting website. You create your dark web website if you wish to. And then Black Market, yeah, you can access the market here. Let's access it actually if you're confused. But I've actually shown, oh, it's not. I've actually shown you it in this link earlier, which is, I don't think this will be necessary. But I'll just show it to you to make sure that. So while that's loading, and you can also access the dark web worldwide market. If you're not interested, like for example, yeah, there it is, royal market. So if you're not interested in like the market here, right? If you're not interested in the market here because you're not satisfied and your curiosity has not yet blown out, okay, give me a few minutes. So if you're not satisfied like in the in this category because your curiosity has not been blown out, then you can access the dark web worldwide market just by copy the link and then paste it here, and it will show you every single onion markets, and it's also updated depending on the year. So these are all the things that you can access: door to door market, ASAP market, and then all the new market, which is live dark matter market, kingdom market, Orson market, bohemia market, gamma goblin, pushing table, incognito, remind me tomorrow. Then we have cyber market, mega darknet market. Yeah, in here you can buy books or movies, or I don't know what that is to be fair, and MGM grand, and all of this stuff. Torzon Market, yeah, these are ecstasy and drugs. Canabia, Kingdom Market. Yeah, there's basically all of like the website you can find in the dark web and in the markets of all the dark web. So yeah, that's all about the shady stuff, shady website. And then the unidentified chat rooms: Talk to John Doe, Wizard Dry, Thor, Dokken, Onion Chat, Kitsune. Yeah, you can access all of this if you wish to. It is a guaranteed dark web because there is onion in it. Because as I've explained earlier, if there is onion on the last links of the paragraph or the sentence or the website, then that's a dark web. Anyway, let's access to this. Talk to John. Okay. Oh, it's not working anymore. Oh, because of this idiotic, actually. Okay, give me a few minutes. Okay, so it's closed. Their website is closed. I think the person who owned that I think is in prison right now. Especially with that name, John Doe. You sound like a 30 years old man, bro. So yeah, anyway, if you're curious, access into that. And then we have the hidden wiki link. This is similar to Google Wiki, but there's some hidden stuff here. Let's see if it's actually available right now. Let's say, oh, it's available. Okay, so yeah, this is similar to Google, but there's some hidden things here, hidden stuff that you can access here. Um, yeah, look at this. You can access some amazing information that you cannot find in Google here. Give me a few minutes. And yeah, those are the things that all the links that you can access. There are actually plenty of links, but as I said, you can access it in this website that I've shown you, in this one right here, search engine, the best dark web links. And then if you're not satisfied with all of this category and all of these results, then you can go to search. There is millions of dark web links or website that you can access in search or even in here. So yeah, that's all of it, guys. Thank you so much for purchasing this course. I hope you've learned a lot from me. I did my best to explain it. I did my best to make it entertaining at the same time. Anyway, the reason why I did not actually access most of this website, because I think I'm scared, because I'm recording myself and doing this, and I'm scared if, like, for example, I stumbled upon like those disgusting images, disgusting videos unintentionally, then basically this course will be blocked, which is, I don't want that to happen, because this is only for educational matter also. So yeah, basically the reason why I've shown you this link, it's the best links, because people here are very ethical people. They're just not like, they're not very like one of those criminal who do stuff, who do crazy stuff. For example, this one, they actually removed child porn because they are great. They just wanted to, like, they just wanted to do all this they did post all of this website for the sake of, like, curiosity, to destroy all your curiosity of what's inside the dark web truly is. And yeah, look at all of this, remove it and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for purchasing this course. I hope you've learned a lot. If you wanted to access the dark web, then you can access it. Just make sure do not abide or do some, or put yourself into illegal activity, because you know the consequences. You could go to prison. And what you mean by illegal activity is, as I've showed you earlier, can you access dark web? Oh wait, can you access? Here it is. These are all the illegal: accessing child abuse images, promoting terrorism, or selling illegal items such as weapons. So yeah, those are the things you cannot do inside the dark web. But for the sake of your educational purpose, if you're trying to teach the dark web, or trying to impress your friend what's the dark web, then this I'm glad that you've learned a lot. I'm glad that you've taken this course. And yeah, thank you so much for applying this course. And if you're interested on my other course, please do, because I actually made a course about how to become a voice actor without a talent or skills. I've been using that technique for a few days now, few months. So you can go to my profile right now and then find that course. And I teach a lot of stuff also. So anyway, if you like me as a teacher, please rate this course, I beg of you. because it will help me in the long run. And thank you so much for purchasing this course, and I'm glad that you've learned a lot from me. And let's take off. Goodbye. See ya.